Blue Mesa Reservoir out near Gunnison, Colorado. This reservoir I've driven by for years and years, and I've noticed it's always getting lower and lower. And so I did a little looking up on ChatGTP. So if this is correct, where it's pulling its information from, then it is 52, 55 feet below full pool and about 70% of historical average in 2025 in October. This video was shot October 16th to be exact. And, it looks like 2024 was fine. They're even claiming 2023 was okay. 2021 to 2022 was considered drought years and it was historically low, although I don't see any numbers given. So, just from me driving by, it always seems like I know they draw down the water, throughout the year, but even when I've gone in like summer or springtime driven by, it just seems lower and lower. Boat ramps aren't being used like they used to be. And just the real world observation of, going by this place. I mean, let me know what you think, especially if you live in the area of Gunnison, Colorado, and you drive by Blue Mesa Reservoir all the time. What do you think? Are conditions getting worse and worse, less and less water, which means less and less water, not just for Colorado per se, but for those down river too, right? Downstream. Because you can only give what you have, and if you start not really having much, you can't really pass water along, no matter if there's treaties on water and water rights and all this bullshit. You can't give what you don't have. And obviously, people here need the water too. And maybe going out west, things need a change. Maybe population shouldn't be built in deserts. And that even goes for Colorado and the Front Range. We really need to decrease how many people are allowed to move here. Let's be honest. There's only so much natural resources in the local area. We need to probably stop importing more and more people. Same for a lot of western states. It's a desert. It's dry. Water's limited. It's a vital resource. We need it. Everyone needs it to survive. I don't know what to do, but this is just my opinions. Have a good one and stay well, stay safe, and keep hydrated. Bye.